All right, this is the video to tell you how or show you how to add students to your class. So go ahead and go into your Internet Explorer or whatever browser you're using. Type in Kidblog. Okay, let's make sure I spell that right. blog.org. See it there, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And again, this is just a real quick go over how to log in. You're going to go to this little upside down triangle. Type in your email address. Look, it's already saved for me. Hit go. And notice here that the URL for my class is up right there. So that's the class I want to go to and I want to add students. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on that. And then it takes us back, remember, to this home room where you're not really logged in. You can tell because there are no icons at the top. So you're not logged in. If a student were to come here, this is what they would see. They're not logged in either. And the only way to get logged in is simply to actually click the login. Also notice here, this is the URL, this is what I was talking about, that you could just simply give to students and then they can go right to the screen, don't have to do all that other stuff. So hit login over here. You're going to get to pick your name. So I'm going to pick my name and I'm going to log in. And now I'm at the screen that looks identical to the one I was just on, but I can tell that I'm in because it's got these icons plus my name at the top. So now I want to go and I want to add new students. I'm going to go to my classes, and there's only one here, so no need to worry about that. And then I'm going to want to add users. That's what they call it. They don't call them students, but users. So that is right here. Next to settings and comments, in between is users. You're going to hit users. And right now, as you can see, I have test student number 1. I got Matt Logan. I have Mrs. Logan. So now I want to add more to that class. There's a couple ways you can do it. One is you can add users manually, which is what I would recommend. There's a bulk create, which involves taking a file and downloading it. It goes very fast, but it's a little complicated. So I wouldn't suggest that one unless we're adding, all 100 students. And then they can also be added on their own, but I find that then they forget their password and all that good stuff. So if we set it up for them, it'd be better. So click on Add New Users. You're going to put their display name. I'm going to add Emily here, L. I'm going to put in her birth date is what I'm going to use. So you may want to grab those before you start this whole process so that you can set it up for the students. So 08021999. And then I'm just going to click Add User. There are no other classes listed, so it automatically puts it right in that class that you just created. If we go back to all users here at the top, it's going to show me, once I've added them all, it should show me all of them. So there's Emily was added right here. And if you ever wanted to edit a student, say you entered something in wrong or they want to use a different, whatever you want to do, you're going to click on that. And then here's where you can change their password. You could add generate a parent code if the parents want to watch what the kids are blogging, whatever you want to do. So anyway, that's how you basically add new students to your class.